I made these cover buttons without making use of anything. This other one I just made use of something hard like this to place it. I just pressed it, but what I noticed about it was that it pressed down this part. If you notice, it's a little bit pressed down. Okay, so I tried the other method, which is making it this way. So let me show you how I was able to achieve this. You want to pick the size of the cover button you want to make use of. Okay, so I'll be placing this here now. I'm placing it this way. So once I've gotten the part I want it to be, I'm going to make it, just going to create a little bit of space there, then I'll go ahead and chalk all around. Once I'm able to establish that circle, I hope you can see the circle. So once I'm able to establish that circle, I'm also going to create like 0.5 inch away from the real circle. Okay, this is the part I'll be using to cover up the rough edges. So I'll go ahead now and cut this out. So this part I'm cutting out will be the part I'll be using to cover up the rough edges. Once you're done now, what you want to do now is pick that your cover button now and we're placing it in the middle. You'll also be making use of your needle and thread. Okay, so now this is what you want to do. You want to take this out to make it easier. Now at the edges there, just go ahead and run like a base stitch all around. I'm making use of this too because this is what I want to achieve. Okay, you just run a base stitch all around. So let's well done the base stitching. Just go ahead and place that your cover button inwards this way. Once you've done it, then drag it so that it will close it up. Can you see? Once you're done, you have this. Can you see how it looks? The only difference between this now and others is that not pick the whole sides together like this, then try and tie it down. Make it firm. Once you've tied it down, try again and sew this down. Okay, to make sure that to secure it properly so that it does not move around. Once you secure it, you can do this like 3 to 5 times to be sure that what you've done has been properly secured. So now once you're done and you've achieved what you need, you can just go ahead and cut this out. Make it nice. Then you can just go ahead and place you want it to. Go ahead now and tack it to the position you want it to be. Okay, it will not be even, so this is where I want it to be. Once I'm done, this is what I'll be placing 4 of this. You see? So which do you prefer? Do you prefer this or this method? If you want me to show you how I was able to achieve this, let me know in the comment section so that I can do a well-detailed tutorial on how I was able to achieve this using just my hammer alone. Thank you, bye.